Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're at Descanso Gardens in La Cañada, Flintridge for a preview of Enchanted, Forest of Light, and this is an absolutely beautiful annual event. Let's go through.
I just
There are numerous themed light installations. We're in number 2 currently. I've got my hot tea. We're taking a leisurely stroll, taking some beautiful photos. We're one of the first guests in. Let's just enjoy this.
A nice try.
We're a little bit more than halfway through, and don't let the video let you think that the event is shorter than it is. We're just walking and editing clips, so we'll tell you how long it actually took us to walk the trail, and we're stopping to take photos And there's places to get drinks and food along the way too, so that'll add to your time here. The video is a much shorter experience than if you were actually here. I know people have asked before, that was it? No, that's not it. That's just what we showed you. This is one of my favorite installations of the event, the Luminous Lawn. You can step inside these glass houses. They're in a different location this year, but they are absolutely beautiful. So cool. This installation is Ancient Forest. You just follow the light. I know a lot of people come to YouTube to see what an event is like. Is it worth it? Should I take the kids? Should I go for a date night? And I will say, unless you're here experiencing these events, YouTube can't do it justice. So it'll give you a little idea of what the event is like, but you just kind of have to come out here and do it for yourself. This is the Garden of Good Fortune number 10, and like I said, unless you're actually here experiencing it, the camera just cannot do it justice. That is it from Descanso Gardens. Opening weekend of Enchanted Forest of Light runs through January 7th. You have plenty of time to come on out. It, like I said, is just absolutely beautiful. One of our favorite events, one of our favorite locations. make sure you check it out. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on and follow us on social media. And a big thank you to Descanso for having us out here tonight. We absolutely loved it. We'll see you soon. Happy holidays.